Do you think any aftermarket companies will make a product to help the jet blaster wheelie more like a spark? If there's demand, sure. If you know a CNC machinist, I'll tell you what, guys, all it takes is just a nozzle, okay? And as long as the nozzle can clear and get up high enough, all you have to do is change the positioning on the nozzle for the cable. All right, the trim cable pulls up on it, and it'll go up. So if you take a minute and take apart the trim nozzle on a jet blaster and see if they're, what the restriction is, then you go to a CNC shop and go, hey man, can you machine this so that it pulls further back? And they go, yeah, I can do that. And they put it on a lathe and they sit there, or they put it on a Bridgeport. They cue it up, tap a new hole, thread it, a little ball mount, threaded ball mount, unthread it, put it in your new hole, and now all of a sudden that thing goes whoop. And that's all you need to do. Now, if it's a part, why don't you start making them, make about 100 of them, and sell them with an instruction. And bam, you're good. Now you're selling a jet blaster that can do wheelies. Or you can sell the mechanism or sell the part to get people to do wheelies.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.